Make a great choice today with the 2020 ProMaster City. The Ram ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.